So good. Well, it's good afternoon from Seattle, but I have been up quite a while now. So I think in the UK now it's about midnight, maybe. Actually, hang on. Yeah, maybe just past midnight. But here it's just coming up to 5 o'clock in the afternoon. I am in my hotel in Seattle. I've had the best first flight ever. Like, I've had so much fun. Give you a little view from my window. I have a little balcony. Actually, you can't see, so hold on. Here we go, view from my hotel window. And this is Seattle, and the drive-in is like, there are mountains with snow. And I just keep thinking, I can't believe that I'm doing this. And just give you a little pan of my hotel room. And hopefully I've got to get a quick freshen up and then meet the rest of the crew. Anyway, I'm having a great time. Very happy to be here. Very lucky to be here. Yeah, so I will record a bit more for you later on. See you later.
And I don't know what to do. So I grabbed the telephone because I've been it rain, so it got busy. And in a big place, boy said, hello, I'm ringing calls. I said, who is you? Oh, well, who is you? I better send this message for. Said, who is you? Oh, well, who is you? Said, this is Shorty Jones.
Good morning from Seattle. It's just after 8. Come for a walk down to the seafront. So, this bit, anyway. You can see the mountains in the background? And then behind me, over there, is Pike Market. Actually, a bit more.
Way away from home, and I don't know what to do. So I grabbed the telephone because I've been it rain, so it got busy. And in a big place, boy said, hello, I'm ringing calls. I said, who is you? Oh, well, who is you? I better send this message for. Said, who is you? Oh, well, who is you?
This is the world's fair Starbucks, but I'm not really into coffee, so I'll just admire it from the outside. It's quite busy in there.
Way away from home, and I don't know what to do. So I grabbed the telephone because I've been it rain, so it got.
Hey, still in Seattle. Just come back after a walk around town. Thought I would chill out a bit before we check out to go back to the UK. So yeah, I did say that I wouldn't go into Starbucks, but I did. And I have bought Martin some special coffee and a mug. I'll show you that. Okay. So I'm about to Starbucks. Also, of course, went to good old Target. Finley's some dill pickle crisps. Good old teeth whitening strips. I've got Deontay sweets. Got my favourite almond M&M's. I can never find them in the UK. And Joel asked me to bring them back in American energy drink. So there we are. And then I thought I'd pop into Whole Foods and just get myself some lunch. So cherry cola for later. A tuna wrap that was half price. Chocolate brownies. Yeah, so just going to chill out. It's a bit of a mess. There's the views from the hotel. So I'm on the corner, which is cool. I don't know if you can see right in the distance. I'll zoom you in. Let's go that way. You can just see the mountains again. Look at that. There you go. Sights and sounds of Seattle. Oh, so I'm just going to chill out now. Speak to you later.